for a skin tightening remedy, we're going to be needing some carrots, guys. Okay, so carrot is a natural skin tightening remedy. It gets into the skin, tighten up the pores, and it's ideal for wrinkles and fine lines. Okay, so it's going to help to remove age spots and wrinkles. So I'm just going to be grating it to extract the juice. I'm gonna be turning the carrots and I'm gonna be straining out the juice. Okay, the juice is what we're gonna be needing for, and here is the juice for the carrot. And then we're going to be making use of eggs, a remedy that helps to shrink the appearances of large and open pores. It therefore helps to clear up wrinkles and fine lines, and it's also a remedy that helps to keep your skin smooth and glowing. Now time for the egg. So I'm gonna be breaking in the egg. This time I'm gonna be putting plus the egg yolk. Now before we go ahead, I would love to mix the carrot juice plus the egg together. And then we're going to be making use of turmeric powder. Now turmeric powder is a natural aging remedy. It works wonders for the skin because it gets rid of dark spots. It contains a lightening property that also helps to lighten up the skin. It therefore leaves the skin youthful and radiant. Then I'm going to be putting in turmeric powder, half teaspoon of turmeric powder. And also we're going to be making use of aloe vera gel. Aloe vera gel is one natural remedy that is very useful for the skin, for the hair, and also for the body. It is great in tightening up the pores, and it works wonder in glowing up the skin. So it will therefore help to remove flappy skin, and it would be great in hydrating the skin. One teaspoon of aloe vera gel, use of olive oil. Now olive oil is a natural remedy that gets into the skin, and that also help and contribute in tightening up the skin, leave the skin youthful, glowing, and radiant. And olive oil. Just a little of olive oil would be fine. So I'm gonna be stirring this all up and mixing it very well. and this will do. Okay, so for today I'm going to be demonstrating it using my hands. Alright, so you're going to take a brush and then you're going to use this treatment. You're going to apply it onto your face or onto your belly, anywhere you have loose skin, or your neck. Okay, so you just apply this treatment on that part generously. Okay, so after which you've applied this treatment generously onto your skin, then you have to leave it to dry. Now if you're applying the treatment to tighten up your large and open pores, you have to leave it to dry. If you're applying it because you want to tighten up your flappy skin, you have to leave it to completely dry. And for this other one, you can actually store it just for 2 days because of the egg, okay, because it's going to go smelling if the egg stays too long. Okay, so you apply it, make a new one whenever you want to apply, and again you have to wash off with warm water when it's dry. Okay, so I'm gonna wait till it dries and I'm gonna go wash it off. So that's basically it, guys. If you do love the video, please thumbs up and subscribe, and please share the video, and I'll see you soon in my next video. Bye.